Hi, I'm Stephen from Career Fit. In this video, I want to discuss how students can effectively prepare for their spring exams. I want to explore some study strategies that work, some practical ways to manage stress, and how to create a balanced approach to exam preparation. An effective study plan starts with understanding the scope of the exams. Encourage students to break down each subject into key topics and allocate time accordingly. Using tools like planners or digital apps can help map out study sessions, leaving room for revisions closer to the exam. The Pomodoro technique, where students study for 25-minute intervals followed by a 5-minute break, can help to maintain focus. Another approach is using active recall methods like self-quizzing or teaching the material to someone else. These strategies enhance memory retention and comprehension. It's also vital to set realistic goals for each session. Instead of vague objectives like study maths, focus on specific tasks such as solve 5 algebra problems. This clarity boosts motivation and helps to track progress. Stress management is just as important as studying itself. Regular breaks, physical activity, and a consistent sleep schedule can significantly reduce anxiety. Encourage students to engage in activities they enjoy, like listening to music, reading, or spending some time outdoors. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation or simple breathing exercises are also powerful tools for calming the mind. Suggest apps like Headspace or Calm that provide guided mindfulness sessions tailored for beginners. Avoiding caffeine and sugar-heavy snacks is another small but really impactful change that students can make. A balanced diet with plenty of water can help sustain energy levels and focus. One of the biggest challenges during exam preparation is staying motivated. Help the students to break the monotony by alternating study topics and incorporating rewards for completing tasks. For example, after finishing a chapter, treat yourself to a favorite snack or an episode of a TV show. Group study sessions can also be highly effective. Discussing topics with peers offers new perspectives and helps make studying less isolating. However, remind students to stay on task and avoid turning these sessions into more social gatherings. If there are signs of burnout, such as exhaustion or irritability, it's crucial to take a step back. Taking a full day off or focusing on hobbies can really help reset and recharge the brain. Finally, preparation doesn't stop at studying. On exam day, remind students to wake up early, have a healthy breakfast, and arrive at the venue well in advance. Take all the necessary things like pens and calculators or ID cards to avoid any last-minute panic. Encourage students to start reading through the exam paper first and tackling the questions they feel most confident about. This builds momentum and boosts confidence for the tougher sections. Preparation for exams is about balance. Balancing study time with rest, motivation and relaxation, and focus with flexibility. These strategies not only help students to feel confident, but also equip them with lifelong skills for managing challenges. If you found this video useful and you'd like to see more content aimed at supporting career guidance counsellors, please consider subscribing. If you have any thoughts or comments about these strategies, or if you have any suggestions for topics that you'd like to see covered on this channel, please get in touch with me. I'd love to hear from you. Look forward to speaking with you soon.